across both my cheeks. I call out your name.